Let's talk about a 2-page website and why do you need it and why don't you have a great big website like we used to. So I'm going to use Amazon as an example. When you go to Amazon, it has lots of products there, right? And a lot of times if you go to Amazon and if you're not super focused, maybe your kid will scream or the laundry will go off, or maybe you have some task you need to do, you're going to forget why you're at Amazon and you may not complete that purchase. A 2-page sales funnel keeps things really simple and it keeps your lead very laser focused. And you probably don't know it, but you've probably put your name and email address in one too. Check out your emails and see how many emails you're getting from people. So the first step of a funnel is called a capture page or a landing page. And basically it's where someone puts their name in it and their email address in it. And then you capture their information and put them on your email list. The second part of a funnel is a bridge page. That is basically where you come in, you do a little 1 to 2 minute video introducing yourself and explaining a little bit about who you are, why you're doing it, and then you introduce them to the product. Then comes the sales page. Basically, the sales page is where someone's going to purchase the product. Maybe your creator of your product has a little video in there kind of giving more insight of what the product is and what it can do for your customer. And that's it. And the really crazy thing about it is you can automate it. Once the foundation of your business is set up, your 2-page sales funnel and your email campaign, you can automate it and you never have to touch it again. If you're ready to build a business online and quit your 9 to 5, follow me, save this video, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know.